Set this up, put the sticker here. It's gonna look badass. Hey everyone, welcome to the Looney Leadfoot. Today we're going to talk about MGW's shifter for the 2005 to 2010 Mustang GT. This is a flat stick shifter. It comes with black or satin handle, and the knob, they have a bunch of different colors. I picked white. We're going to do an unboxing. So this is a first on Looney Leadfoot. So here we go. Plenty of packing. Alright, first bag here. Let's see what we got in there. The MGW sticker. It's kind of cool. Throw that on the car. Got some Vibratite, also known as Loctite. I'm sure that'll go on the bolts or nuts on the installation. Now, I'm not going to install the shifter on the car. MGW has a YouTube channel, and they have the installation on there, and you can't beat it. It is very thorough. So I would forward you to that if you want to see the installation. Looks like it comes with a plastic zip tie, and this is the support that will go on the back of the shifter, up at the rear of the shifter in the drive shaft tunnel. So that's really nice. They have a note in here. Here's your two nuts also for holding that up. They have a note that says, the rear bushing bracket is designed to perform best with the street isolator insert. The track bushing is no longer included in the kit for this reason. Not sure what that is. You'll have to contact MGW for the reason of that. Not quite sure about that. But here's the rear mount that goes on the back of the shifter. So here's the real bread and butter. Open this up. Now this is the MGW. Again, I said flat stick shifter. They're out of Augusta, Georgia, which we're out of Georgia also, so it's kind of cool to support the local economy. Really nice quality, as you can see. The anodized aluminum, stainless steel construction here. This looks like it's aluminum also, all machined. I mean, this is really, really nice. I'll have to show you the old stuff I pull out of the Mustang. Here's another bag. This has instructions on it here. It says, please read first. Extremely urgent, right? So the Rally Series and Classic Shift Ball installation. Basically, these instructions tell you not to crank the shifter knob all the way down and try to line it up on the shifter handle. I'll kind of show you what they're talking about on there. So here's the knob, and I was kind of surprised it doesn't come with the MGW logo on it. I kind of would like that, but it's a nice shifter. Of course, the 2005 Mustang that this will be installed on has a 5-speed transmission, so if you have a newer Coyote, that'll be a 6-speed. Here's our handle. Yeah, I mean, this is nice. This is really nice quality. It has MGW on it, and I like that. That's cool. And here's that nut they're talking about. So when you install this, what they're saying is, when you install it, you don't want to crank it all the way down tight to get it to line up. I guess people were running this all the way down, and then it wasn't quite straight, and then they were cranking on this and cracking it in half. So what you want to do is you want to bring it all the way down. What MGW says is put the knob all the way down and then back it off one full turn, okay? And then tighten this nut. Alright? Like that. And they send you some tools in here, so we'll check that out. What else they have? Here's our, looks like our tooling, a new bushing, and another zip tie. And then they also sent some Dynamat sound deadener that will go where the shifter installs. This will go down around that, and they show that in your MGW's videos, really thorough on that, and it shows it. So as you can see, the box is empty. That's it. The price on this shifter was $327. They gave us a little discount, so hats off MGW for that. And like I said, they're out of Augusta, Georgia, so that's here in the United States. I would think they ship internationally, I'm not sure, but my wife actually ordered this for me, and she had called them, had some questions about it, and they called her back that day. So they have pretty good customer service from what I can tell so far. So we're going to install this, and I'll tell you what I thought of it. If it made a big difference, I know it will. The quality is just awesome. I'm really, really excited about it. So we'll see if we can do some power shifting in it. Hey, thanks again for tuning in to Looney Leadfoot. I'm Nick, and my son Rhett is filming.
Hello. This has been Looney Leadfoot. We're the Eversole team, once again, signing out.
Thank you for tuning in.